My job for Oracle Team USA was to propose some alternative foil ideas and assess their performance.
My implication on my job in this project is I perform computational aerodynamic simulation for the platform of the boat.
In the partnership project, I was the work package leader for data analysis techniques.
I was involved in the alternative foil design and manufacturing solution.
The main challenge I had to face was to develop quickly a multidisciplinary approach and the tools to perform this tool design.
The challenge that I have to face in my personal case, I improved to manage two different projects at the same time. It's working with the A320neo flight test identification and Oracle Team USA simulation. So I'm proud to be part of this team of Airbus, working in the high technology project like America's Cup.
The biggest challenge was really understanding what the working mode was for Oracle Team USA. They were a prototype team, they needed to be fast and they needed to move on quickly when they were rejecting ideas. We were quick, we were able to convince them that we could find our competences, get the people off their jobs and giving Oracle what they needed.
This test was a great achievement because it was very challenging, above all in terms of short lead time. It was above all a team success, thanks to the collaboration between Airbus Team and Oracle Team USA. This test has shown good results, so it was also a success in terms of innovation.
I think some Oracle Team USA ways of working could be imported in Airbus. The focus on testing. Albeit expensive, testing is the ultimate proving ground for new ideas and concepts. My best memory was to take part in one of the tests on the boat. It was very interesting to see how the data analysis is done. In particular, I was impressed by how the video analysis is done to assess the sailor team performance.
There's a lot of very special, interesting people. You know, they're top of their class. I had the privilege of meeting Grant Simmer. We discussed leadership techniques. You know, how does he manage a high ego team like he's been doing? I loved it. It was a complete buzz. These guys, as a small team, they have fantastic passion. It's fantastic to have that transferred into Airbus because that passion is addictive.